Assalamu alaikum. Today I want to speak briefly about the importance of honesty. Honesty is one of the most important qualities a person can have. It builds trust, earns respect, and reflects true faith in the heart. A truthful person is loved by people and the more importantly by Allah. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Truthfulness leads to righteousness, and righteousness leads to paradise." Even if honesty brings short-term loss, it brings long-term success and peace of mind. In a world full of lies and deception, being honest is a sign of true character. So let us hold on to honesty, not just in words, but in our actions and intentions too. May Allah make us all truthful in every part of our lives. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum.